Check it out. Getting my first, for weeks it looked like this. But now we've got a little, it's budding. As you've probably noticed, I am not the frugal gardener. Today, we'll be watching a video from me, the frugal daughter. Stay tuned. Give me your ring. I don't know if it actually works to say subscribe to my channel, but just in case it does, go ahead and subscribe to my dad's channel. That way you can learn all the things that I've learned and applied to my garden that I'm about to show you all very shortly. So go ahead and click the bell and click subscribe so that you won't miss out on anything he has going on. And here are my, what's going on, pup? Here are my morning glories. I'll come out tomorrow morning and shoot them in bloom, or I'll just post a picture. But there they are. And here's my raised bed garden. It's seen better days. It doesn't look anything like the frugal gardeners, but I am the frugal daughter, so I'm learning. Here's the tomato. He gave me this tomato plant. It's thriving, it's doing well. But today, I'm not talking about my raised bed garden. Today, we aren't even talking about the pups. Today, we are going to talk about this bed garden. Came out here and I've already started to move the cucumbers. I'm not sure what that is. I mean, for all I know, that could just be a weed. That might be a weed. And I know that those are my radishes. That's all you need in life is cucumbers and radishes, really. And fish. So here are my other radishes. I'm gonna transfer them, see how that works. I am 90% positive. See, here's what happened. I used to be bad at this. And really bad. And I got frustrated one day. My dad said, oh, keep trying. So I said, okay, I'll keep trying. And now I have all this stuff, and I thought I marked it all, but I did not mark it all. All right, so I have a very bad sense of smell. I have allergies, but this, I can smell it. I can smell the tomato leaves. I think that's what I want to call it. And I hope everyone knows that they're tomatoes. All right, one more pot. All right, and over in this bad boy, I planted, apparently I planted an onion on accident, so not really sure if I should even mess with that. I'm not. But I am gonna mess with these because like the last time, I got overzealous because nothing was growing, so I just threw everything all into one pot. This is exactly the stuff my dad warns me about. Like those those roots had nowhere to go. I'm a genius. Okay. So I split apart the onions. That was really scary to do. I almost didn't do it because like the tomatoes, you can see the tomatoes. And the story there is I've killed plants before trying to separate them. So long story short, I did this one, but then when it came to these guys, I panicked. So I'll keep an eye on them and make sure they don't strangle each other. They grow properly. We'll see. Radishes, I don't know what's gonna go. Well, I don't know what's gonna happen with any of this. But I'm almost positive these are peppers. Peppers are in, the onions are in, the radishes are in, the cucumbers are in. I'm gonna have the best tasting salad on the block. And drink up. And I gotta get more water. Get more water from my real water catchment system. Watch out, bud. Go ahead. Tuck. The real. Put this funnel here. Look at all this water. In case you can't see it, it's filled up to here. So I have two very big nemesis. What's the plural for nemesis? I don't know the plural for nemesis, but I have two problems. First problem is me. I keep killing things. Second problem is my animals. Here's nemesis 1. Yeah. Nemesis number 2. Yeah, walk away. All right. There she is. That's what she looks like now. So now we're gonna cover her up because, like I said, I've got pet nemesis going on out here. Hopefully the onions repel them. What do you guys think? Whew. So as you can see, this side over here, I don't like how it's sagging. So I'm gonna fix it. All right. I had to change a few things, but finally did it. So we can see on the inside what's going on. This little makeshift protection barrier from the animals. And I think I'm gonna stop it here. I'm gonna stop it. I am the Frugal daughter, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And join us on Facebook. Just check out the description box. And in the description box are all the fun links so you could see and join us, and follow us on Instagram, subscribe to the channel, and maybe I'll do another one of these. It depends on whether or not these thrive or not, but speaking it into existence. We're gonna have some, as my 4-year-old cousin likes to say, it's eating time. So join us on social media, share with us what you've learned. Oh, and one more thing I gotta tell you guys. I mean, these windows are old. They came with the house and we got new windows, so we saved the old windows, and that's how I was able to do this. And these things are amazing. I love these things. So my dad gave me those, but I also think that they're at the dollar store. And the string I got at the dollar store, the seats, various places, either the dollar store, my dad gave them to me. The screens, my dad gave me those. I was using that as a barrier. I used to be a pet ladder. And like I said, join us on social media. Dad tweets sometimes. I'm going to start to tweet more about gardening. Doesn't look like it, but a little while ago, cat came and trampled all over these. And bounce back. Oh, we're gonna get a bud. Look, 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 look. Look, can it focus? There we go. Gonna get some. What's your plan?
So far,
What is your plan?
I don't know yet. It's not completed yet.